Show you how to navigate filtered assessments when grading in Crowdmark. So first you can apply filters. They can be combined as needed. Let's try filtering for a specific section of students. So I'm going to grade section A, and you'll note here on the view button your matching responses number changes. In section A, I'm going to be grading question 1. Note that changes again, but this number stays static because this is how many question 1s exist, and this is how many are going to be shown in my filter. And then I'd like to filter for ungraded question 1s. So you can see some have already been graded. When we click view, what's going to happen is we'll end up with a next filtered button where the next ungraded would normally be. And this will take you across as you grade. If you would like to continue grading the same student's booklet and not the question, you can still click use the ungraded filter and remove the question filters. What this will do is take you through the questions in order. So if I'm grading question 3 here, next filtered will take me to question 4.